Simple gratitude practice. Sit in a comfortable position. Allow yourself to arrive. Close your eyes. Or if it does uncomfortable, keep your eyes softly gazing into the horizon. Slow inhale into your abdomen and take a little bit longer exhalation with each breath. The body relax. Again, inhale and exhale. Allow the body to be catched by the chair. Bring to mind one thing you are grateful for. You think long, you think wrong. Just allow whatever that shows up first and simple pause. Feel it in your body. Not just think about it, but allow your body awareness to experience the gratitude. Now, bring another thing that you are grateful for. Experience it. Allow your body to feel the sensations. Now, when you're ready, bring a third thing that you're grateful for. Breathe into your abdomen and then allow your body's feelings and sensations experience gratitude. Now, notice how the body feels. Is it warm, softer, a little bit more open? The Let that feeling expand in every direction from your body. Take a deep breath and carry this awareness forward through your day. The sense of gratitude for the experience. And before we go, imagine two people that will benefit for you to doing this practice. And when you're ready, wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes.